Does foam rolling actually work? Well, in the complete guide to foam rolling, second edition, you'll discover everything you need to know about foam rolling. This new edition is the most up-to-date resource that shows you the science behind how foam rolling works. Foam rolling is one of the simplest tools you can use for anyone looking to move better, feel better, and kickstart the recovery process. This second edition is in full color and includes the latest research on foam rollers and recovery tools so you can understand exactly why these techniques work. Inside the book, you'll get step-by-step instructions for 37 targeted techniques that help prepare muscles, ease pain, and restore function. You'll learn how to breathe, relax, and roll through tight areas as part of your warm-up, flexibility training, and recovery routines. The book also includes ready-to-use protocols you can adapt for your specific needs, and you'll be able to build a personalized program that supports your entire body. If you're ready to invest in your movement, your recovery, and how your body feels every day, this guide is the most up-to-date information on foam rolling and will show you exactly where to start. So go ahead and grab your copy on the Human Kinetics website at us.humankinetics.com.